Ladies and gentlemen, what does it take to build something that lasts? Vision, हाँ. Courage, बिल्कुल. लेकिन सबसे important, discipline. Our next speaker has lived that discipline every single day for 14 years. While the world panicked, he trusted the data. While others followed gut, he followed processes. He has been the engine behind every call, every strategy, every return that you have experienced as a Total Wealth client. And the results, well, you have seen them in your portfolio. He is not just the CEO of Total Wealth, he is the reason Total Wealth exists. Today, on the biggest stage we have ever built, he is going to take you inside the mind of a quant investor. Ladies and gentlemen, the man, the maverick, the CEO of Total Wealth, please welcome Mr. Rohan Mehta.
Good morning. Generally, I don't get emotional, but I was not willing up to come and speak. It's very emotional. I feel success is not about numbers. Success is when my 14 years old, my ex-boss is coming and speaking as a chief guest is success for me. Success is not about only returns. Success is about that's okay. My partners are still with 14 years without any dispute, without any point. Learn from Jainam. Success is not about only numbers, returns, what quant is. Success is always about people sitting over here, coming from countries, cities to visit us. Small event, very emotional. First time in my life, I don't want to talk, but yeah, if I don't talk, that's again a problem. You have to do it. Show goes on. Before I start, I want to thank three very, very special people before I take out my journey. And that is three people. Without them, this would have never been possible. I would like to thank Zeel Gandhi, wife of Hardik Gandhi. If you can, Zeel, if somewhere Zeel is there. Yeah, please, if you can rise, please, Zeel. Rinkesh Gandhi, husband of Vibhati Gandhi. Please, Rinkesh, if you can rise, my very dear friend. And my girlfriend, Namrata Mehta, if she can rise, where she is. She's there, yeah. It's tough to be with us, believe me. High stress work, itna expectation, 250 दिन आपको आउट परफॉर्म करना है. रवि ने अभी एक ग्रुप में डाला था 551 PMS फंड मैनेजर्स है, 1450 स्कीम्स है PMS की, एंड यू फील यू आर प्लेइंग एन IPL मैच. इफ यू डोंट परफॉर्म यू विल बी ऑन बेंच, एंड इफ यू परफॉर्म बैड यू विल बी आउट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स पोर्टफोलियो. और हमारे बिजनेस में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है, एक बार आप डिस्कार्ड हो जाते हो फिर आप इनकार्ड नहीं होते हो, because that's an ego of investor also, that I'll not go back. You have to be there. It's very stressful. I know how Namrata would have taken me. So stressful. रात को नींद नहीं आती है. External condition, क्या होगा, क्लाइंट ने चेक लिखा है, क्लाइंट ने इतने एक्सपेक्टेशन से पैसा दिया है, मैं कैसे आउट परफॉर्म कर पाऊंगा. And that goes on. But yeah, it has to. You have to work hard for it. Because that's the point. I always had a fun that client doesn't appreciate the returns. पर फिर मुझे पता चला कि जब client चेक लिखते हैं ना, आप जो उसने चेक लिखा है, वो itself is an appreciation for us. Because 1415 PMS schemes, some 5,000, 10,000 mutual fund schemes, some thousands of AIFs, some hundreds of different fund managers. उसमें से यू चूजन अस टू राइट अ चेक. इससे बड़ा क्रेडिट क्या हो सकता है? एंड यू आर राइटिंग नॉट स्मॉल चेक. सो आई रियली फील फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट दैट थैंक यू. दिस इज जस्ट अ जर्नी विच हैज स्टार्टेड, एंड आई रियली डोंट फील टू टॉक अबाउट मच, बट आई विल टेक डेटा, बिकॉज डेटा टेक्स ओवर इमोशंस. तो डेटा पे बात करते हैं. बट आई रियली फील सो हैप्पी. व्हेन वी वर थिंकिंग ऑन डूइंग दिस, हमको लगता था कौन आएगा कौन नहीं आएगा, हमने सोचा कर देते हैं. लाइफ में एक ही चीज़ करे तो सही, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही. So 14 years, I don't know where it went. It was fun. Every day was thrilling. Every day was exciting. Every day was pain. Every day was pleasure. Every day I went to go. मैं घर पे गया. My team knows. Every day there is different discussion. और क्या better कर सकते हैं? और क्या better कर सकते हैं? इसका और tweak करे क्या? इसमें और क्या रे क्या? And I'm sure my team gets frustrated with me sometimes. But believe me from the bottom of my heart, 365 days, 24 hours, we only think how we can create more wealth for you, how we can do something which is more happiness for you. And beyond profit is something what we are looking forward for. So thanks Milan bhai, thanks Nippon, thanks Aditya for doing it. And it's something which is a small what